Hello traders, this week's Market Outlook from Exness highlights an idea for trading the Nasdaq 100. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader at Exness, and in this video I'm going to be looking at the potential direction for the trade, the possible target, what narratives could drive the position, and what traders who were to take it would need to be aware of in terms of news and data. But before that, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week the idea was a potential buy for Bitcoin with the target around $60,000 if the price broke through $57,000. The idea was fully accurate, with the price moving up to around $61,000 in the week after publication of the video. Now, this week's idea is a potential buy for the Nasdaq 100. We can see that the price has bounced fairly strongly from the latest low around the 8th of August, and it might move back up to test 19,500, which was the area of the high at the very end of last month. Among the important narratives that could drive the Nasdaq 100 up are a possible rotation in sectors from banks and financials towards tech. And we could also see that the VIX, volatility index of the S&P 500, spiked last week during the brief crash, but now has declined significantly, while at the same time the dollar index is not rising significantly. In that situation, we might expect that indices could make gains. Some of the most important data coming out this week are on American inflation. That's on Wednesday, with core and non-core inflation from the USA, important primarily because it might give hints on what the Fed is going to do in the last quarter of the year. It's also possible that traders might look at American retail sales on Thursday. So in summary, the idea is a potential buy for the Nasdaq 100 with the target around 19,500. Most important narrative driving position is that the VIX has declined while the dollar index is not rising, and the critical data this week is American inflation. Please remember that it's just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success. You always need to do your own research and manage risk.